Kathy Osmeyer here. So, Thanksgiving is coming up, and if you're like most people, you'll be doing some cooking. And let's be honest, when it comes to cooking, we usually just do what we were taught without really thinking about how it might be done a bit easier. That's where these hacks come in. Here are a few Thanksgiving hacks that might make your day of cooking just a bit easier. Number one, if you don't have a roasting rack for your turkey, you can easily make one with some aluminum foil. Just roll up some foil into a long roll and coil it around a few times the turkey. This will elevate your turkey and make sure it's heated evenly top to bottom. Number two, I don't know about you, but for me, the best part of the stuffing is always at the edge of the pan where the breadcrumbs got a little crispy. Well, you can recreate that experience for every guest you have by cooking your stuffing in a muffin tin. Just spray each tin with a bit of cooking spray and portion out the stuffing mix evenly into each tin. Cook for about 20 minutes until golden brown on top, and you've got perfectly portioned stuffing bites that all have that nice crispy texture. Number three. All right, on to the mashed potatoes. If you've ever cooked hard boiled eggs, you'll understand this hack, I think, pretty easily. You can completely skip peeling your potatoes, which I hate doing, and go right to cooking them. Just throw the whole potato in a pot and cook them through. Once they're soft, quickly throw them into an ice bath to shock them, and the skin will just fall right off. No peeling required. Number four, and finally, let's get back to the turkey and talk about wet brining. Wet brining is a popular but space consuming technique where you soak the entire turkey in a bath of salty, seasoned liquid. The salty seasoning seeps into the turkey and helps keep it moist while cooking. And while this is all well and good, it's messy and takes up a huge amount of space. Instead of wet brining, try dry brining this year. Just take all the seasonings that you'd put in your wet brine, the salt, sugar, and spices, and simply cover your turkey with them instead. Keep your turkey then refrigerated for 24 hours as it's covered in this mixture. Then simply remove the brine just before cooking. This method produces a bird that's just as juicy, letting you avoid the mess and hassle of a big tub of raw turkey water. Okay, those are my hacks in the kitchen for this holiday season. What are yours? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a happy and healthy holiday with your family.